Hi everybody, today we have a 1997 Honda CRV. It's a four-wheel drive, 2.0 liter, and the customer's concerned it had a lack of power, transmission didn't shift right, so we did a fuel injection cleaning on it. We drained and refilled the transmission fluid. Now we're looking at the front brakes because she was complaining about the brake pedal shaking and pulsating on her foot and wasn't stopping very good. And I test drove it and man, she's exactly right. Let me show you what I found out. The face of the brake rotor is all black. It's like it's all discolored, and the reason that is because the brake pads aren't moving. The brake pads are like they're not even hardly worn out, and the reason that is these guide pins that go in here are supposed to be full of a black synthetic grease, just for brake caliper grease. That's all. That's all. The whole purpose in life for this stuff is a brake caliper grease. So that right there, the way that looks. That's how that should look. When I went to move these, because these slide inside of here, they wouldn't move at all. They were frozen. So all that's happening is this is getting super hot, and then it's going to warp. And so when it warps, it's going to cause the brake pedal to shake. And so someone changed the brake pads at one point, but they never took this apart. They never cleaned this. They never lubricated these bushings. All this hardware, everything that holds it all together, is all super old. And the other side, you can see the face is all discolored, it's all black, so it's going to have the same problem inside there. And so what we did is we went to a company called DFC. They make a good brake rotor. It's called DFC Geospec. It's a coated rotor. I've been using it for quite a few years. They work really well. They have a low amount of run out, 1 or 2 thousandths. I got the brake pads from Honda, and these are the pads here. So you can see the new pad and the old one, they're not worn very much, either one of them, but it's because the hardware is all messed up. So here's the new shims that go on the back of them. Here's the hardware I showed you that was all rusty. Here's the new little rubber boots. So we'll clean everything up and put it back together. So in closing, you got to be careful when you're letting people work on your brakes. It looks like someone's done several brake jobs, because usually it'll get kind of dried out, but it won't come out like sand like that. So someone's done these brakes, and they don't care about those bushings. They don't even know what the purpose of them is apparently, but they're endangering the customer, because when you have to stop fast, first of all, it's not going to stop fast, and it didn't stop fast. And then the pedal's going to shake on top of that, so you got a safety issue. It doesn't stop good. The car in general, it makes the car a horrible feeling. And they wanted to sell them some shocks and some control arm bushings and stuff like that, you know. What are you going to do all that for if the car doesn't stop? So they found me from a previous YouTube video. I'm so glad that they came over, and now we'll get their vehicle fixed up. This is the last part I have to do is that, and I'll have that done this afternoon. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.